This is the Hot Point WM2, and I think 20 bars of soap. We're going to do a wash. I've got some really dirty workshop rags. So, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here we go. Let's put it onto a 40 degree. Door locked. There we go. Let's do some laundry. So you can see the waste hose dangling over here. You can see 20 bars of soap in the front there. Crazy. I wonder what's going to happen. I wonder will it like make a load of bubbles? It's going to make a load of noise. That's the soap getting sucked in now. There's one bar hanging on. Oh, it's gone. See bubbles already. What do you think it's going to do? Will it be a big bubbly mess? Will we wind up with 20 smaller bars of soap, or will they all turn into fluff, suds, bubbles, a great big bubbly mess? What do you think? It feels to me like it needs more water in there. What do you think? Write it in the comments. You can see water draining in there, but it's not exactly flowing in. I think it's just getting stuck in that big white curtain. Let me know in the comments, write it in, and then find your comment and write in again what happened at the end and see if you were right or wrong. I see bubbles. I see suds on the door. Did it again there. It doesn't want to spin. I don't know why. Like, there's no anti-vibration thing in these machines. They'll just spin if they're going to spin. It's very thick and soapy. See, that's it again. It doesn't spin. It sounds like it stopped pumping. There's something blue sinking down along the front of it there. Probably an old pillowcase, and I'm hoping after a minute of this piece it'll go to end. Hoping. 2 hours and 4 minutes, full of bubbles, like solid full of bubbles still, and there's the end. Whoa! I wasn't expecting. I don't know what I was expecting. Oh, that's great. That's really good. I like that. That's epic. Oh, it's just flowing out. The whole thing is full of liquid still. Oh dear. Oh, I don't know what to do about that. end up throwing this thing out. It's still full of black old goo in the center as well. And I think there may be, yeah, oh, bars of soap stuck in it. There's one. This is funny. 2, so they haven't really died. 3, 4, must be more in there. 5. Oh, you could do this game a few times, I'd say. 6, 7 or 7, 8. They're stuck to the wall. Really, really rich suds. Okay. Let's try and get through this. I still need to rinse this stuff off. I'd like to get those bars of soap out now, I guess. Wow, that's black old crud. What I might do, there's another bar of soap. 9, 10, there's another one. Feel another one in here. Oh dear. 11, there's another one. There's 12, 13. Oh dear. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, almost there. 19 I can see, so I'm looking for one more somewhere. Not yet. It's funny soap, it's not perfumed. There's 20. Right, 20 bars of soap. Yowza. There you have it. 20 slightly smaller bars of soap, but still substantial soaps. There might be another video on this. Look at the mess. Oh yeah. Questions or comments, as usual, stick them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.